SketchUp is a free 3D modeling tool used by woodworkers, interior designers, architects, and hobbyists to plan designs. In this quick video, we'll talk about the 3 things that you need to do to convert an existing design into a printable model file to share with clients or to prototype at low cost. If you're new to SketchUp, there are resources for learning the core tools built into the instructor panel. We're going to dive right into the steps and only cover the tools you need for this process. Step 1. Make everything into a component. Here we've got a model from our friend Chris at 4 Eyes Furniture. He's a furniture designer, so he made this design to scale with all the pieces cut exactly to size. 3D printers want simpler design files than this, so the first step is to merge everything into a single component. You can do this by choosing the Select tool and lasso selecting the entire object. Then right-click and choose Make Component. There are lots of menu options, but you can ignore most of them and click Create. You'll see the change on the object file. Step 2. Scale to the correct size. Using the measuring tape tool, you can click on an endpoint of our piece of furniture and take a measurement. This side table is 60 inches across on the front. We want it to be more like 4 inches across to make it a handheld prototype. To do this, we'll head up to the Scale tool, select our component, and grab one of the corner handles and begin to stretch our object down smaller. The smallest scale factor you can lower at this point for this design is 0.11. Still not quite small enough. We need it to be about 0.07. I'm going to zoom in by rolling the scroll wheel. Use the pan tool to move up a little bit. And use the scale tool again to make it a little bit smaller. Can use the measuring tape tool to take a test measurement, see if we've gotten it close. We're still too big at 5 inches. Head back to the Scale tool. Close enough. Step 3. Export as an STL. Your furniture design is now properly sized and a single piece, so we can complete the process by exporting as a polygon mesh file. Go to File, Export, 3D Model. Name your file and select stereolithography or .stl as your file format. Choose Export, and now you have a scaled 3D file of your SketchUp project that is ready to upload and print at Shapeways.